निकालेंगे a 9 b 13 minus 9 equal to Sn equal to n by 2 8 plus minus equal to 6 by 2 minus 8
सर आपकी आवाज़ बहुत कट रही है।
16 plus 8 by
हेलो
3 6 3
हेलो
by 2
हेलो हेलो।
हाँ बोलिए बेटा।
सर आपकी आवाज़ मतलब अभी तो ठीक है, पर जब आप करवा रहे थे तब बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही थी। हेलो
Yes. Now n by 2 by 2 what is common here 2 is common 5 plus 4n equal to 6 plus 5n minus 6 equal to k
यस सर।
ऑपरेट splitting of middle term आप जानते हैं you will find the value of n okay
हेलो
बिल्कुल 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. Take the common number here. And is the common here 4n square plus 53. What will be the common here?
4
Minus
48
12. 4n plus 53. And minus 12. 4n plus 53 equal to 0. N value 12. N value minus 53 by 4. Is 53 by 4 is possible here?
नो सर,
It cannot be possible because
इट्स नेगेटिव।
it is a negative number as well as it is not also a natural number.
यस
So n value, what will be the n value here? 12. So how many terms needed to do it? We need 12 terms. What is our next question? Question number 5. The first term of AP is 5. A equal to 5. Last term is 45. Last, so A and I can say it is 45. Sum Sn equal to 400. Find the number of term and common difference. Find the number of term and common difference. First, what formula we will use? Sn equal to n by 2. A plus an 400 equal to n by 2. A is 5, 45. 400 n by 2 into 15. 25. What will be the n value? 400 by 25. N value is 16. Now we have to find also the value of common difference D. So for the D, the easy formula you can apply here for An. An will be equal to A plus n minus 1D. It will be equal to 45 equal to A value 5, n is 16 minus 1 15, and D we need to find 45 minus 5. It will be 40 divided by 15 equal to D. The value of D is 8 by 3. Easy, you can get the solution. Okay, now move to the question number 6. The first and last term are given here. A is 17, AN is 350. A is 17, AN is 350. Now common difference is given 9. Then how many terms there and what is their sum? B is 9. So we will use the formula for AN. A plus N minus 1D. AN 350. 17 plus N minus 1D. कितनी वैल्यू आ जाएगी? 9. 17 को माइनस कीजिए, कितना बचेगा?
17
divided by 9 n minus 1 n value comes 38.
माइनस सर -9 भी तो था जब n मल्टीप्लाई
Here it will be 9. Okay, now
नाइन
like,
वन
don't be going about it. We have taken 9 in the denominator. So we have cut it from 9. 9 से हमने काटा है तो 37 वैल्यू आई, 1 ऐड होगा इधर आगे प्लस. It is right. Okay, so now we have to find the value as 38. It will be equal to 38 by 2. A plus AN. A is 17 and AN is 350. 19 into 367. You can multiply it by yourself and you will get the solution for it. You get the answer for it. Okay. In our next question, what is mentioned here? Find the sum of first 22 terms. You have to find the sum of first 22 terms.
सर 3973
Yes, as anything it can be. Just be concentrate now on the next question. Find the sum of 22 terms means S22 into to find. S22, question number 7 I am talking. B is 7 and 22 term is 149. B is 7 and 22 term is 149. Okay, now it will be A plus 21D, 149. What is the value of D? 21 into 7. A equal to 149 minus 147. 2 comes 2. Okay, now we have the value of N, we are having the value of D. So we have to find out S22. 22 by 2, A plus AN. 2 plus 149. 2, 11. 11 multiply 151. 1661 will be your answer here. Next. Find the sum of 51 terms. Open AP Wood, second term is 14, third term is 18. Second term is 14, third term is 18. Second is 14, third term is 18. As we know, what is the meaning of D? D is the difference of two consecutive terms where we subtract the preceding term. Okay, D will be 18 minus 14, it will be 4. A2 can be written A plus D equal to 14. A equal to 10. You got the value of A?
Yes, sir.
So A is 10, D is 4. Now what you can do, what you have to find out easily, everything you can find out. S51. Very easily you can do.
Yes,
This
sir.
for yourself.
by 2 10 plus a and what is
Okay.
80.
Now moving to the question number 9.
Sir, S51 is
What is given in this question? S7 is 49, S17 is 289. Solve for it. 7 by 2, 2a plus 6d equal to 49. 7 to cancel, 7 sevens are. 2 will come common here. A plus 3d equal to 7. It will become your equation number 1. 2 will be cancelled out. Now, S17. 17 by 2, 2a plus 16b equal to 289. 17, 17. Again 2 common. A plus 80 equal to 17. Again 2 will be cancelled out. We are having now two equations. A plus 8d equal to 17. A plus 3d equal to 7. Minus minus minus. 5d equal to 10. D value comes 2. Put it anywhere. A plus 3 into 2 equal to 7 from 1. A equal to 1. Okay, we got the value of A and D. Now, what we have to find here? Sum of n terms. We need to find the sum of n terms. Sn, n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1d. N by 2, 2a, 2. N minus 1 d value is again 2. N by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 to 2 cancel. N by 2 into 2n, 2 to 2, n square. So the sum of for this, and one more thing you have to be listen here. What is it? What you have to listen here? What you have to be in your mind? The value of Sn, the value of Sn always be in the form of n square. And when you are finding n sum of n terms, the answer will come in the end. Okay, so don't be think about it. Oh, it is coming in n. Then what is the answer here? Don't be think about it. Simply, it will be the sum of n terms will come in n. Where n scale you will find. When we are talking about the nth term, n will come. Okay. Now, question number 10. So how you have to do it? An is 3 plus 4n. And as 15 you need to find out. Question number 10, first part I am doing. Second part you will do yourself. So now first we will find the value of A1. Put the value n equal to 1. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. A2. 3 plus 4 into 2. It will be 11. Okay. Now B. A2 minus A1. 11 minus 7. 4. Okay. D we go. Now, everything we are having as 15. First I am writing the formula Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, n by 2, n value is 15, 15 by 2, 2a. The value of a is 7, 2 into 7 plus 14, the value of d is 4, 15 by 2, 14 plus 56. 15 by 2 into 70. 2 to 35. 5 to 5 will be the sum of first 15 terms. Now, second part you can do yourselves. There will be no problem. What is given in question number 11? Sn is given. Important one. Sn is given there. 4n minus n square. 4n minus n square. Simply S1 will be always equal to A1. if I will talk about what is the sum of one term, it will be same as the one term. So there will be no change in it. Okay, S1, A1 both are the same thing. Now put the value of 1, 4 into 1 minus 1 square. It will come 3. Okay, now we are finding the sum of first two terms with S2. Put the value 2 here, 4 into 2 minus 2 square. What it will be? 8 minus 4, it will be 4. The last formula, AN will be equal to SN minus 1. Means A2 will be equal to S2 minus S1. 4
सर
minus 3, it will be equal to 1. Now
इसमें
D, A2 minus A1. 1 minus 3, it will be equal to minus 2. D value we got, A value we got. Okay, so now what we have to find in this question? First they were asking about the first term, that is S1, we have already find out. Sum of two terms we have already find out. Second term we have already find out. D हम एक्स्ट्रा निकाल चुके हैं. अब हमें थर्ड टर्म निकालनी है, टेंथ टर्म निकालनी है एंड nth टर्म निकालनी है. ओके, सबसे पहले थर्ड टर्म A3, A plus 2D, value of A, D value is 3, D value minus 2, 3 minus 4, it will be minus 1. So third term we also got. Next is 10th term. 10th term you can find it by A plus 9D and you will do it yourself. Now we are finding the nth term. Nth term we are finding A plus n minus 1D. A value 3. N minus 1. Value of D minus 2. 3 minus 2n plus 2. 5 minus 2n. Simply. Now one thing you will get here. I told you in the previous question, when we have given the value of Sn, the answer will come in n square. When the value is given in nth term, the answer will come in the n. So if this is given and they ask about what will be the value of Sn, and